So I randomly came across this restaurant in Murfreesboro called the Slick Pig. And yeah, I was on a date, but look at my date, y'all. Y'all know he didn't pay for nothing. So my little baby ordered him a catfish dinner, and I had a brisket sandwich, fried green tomatoes, and potato salad. I'm teaching him early how women be eating their food on a date. So I noticed I kept getting stared at, right? So I kept looking around, making sure everything was straight. I'm thinking to myself, like, look, man, I'm here for the same reason. I can't eat. One thing about banana pudding, it can be very tricky. People will tell you it's homemade, and it don't be homemade, man. But this one was a hit, as you can see. I licked that spoon, dog.